ZacBaldy himself.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome to the beautiful morning. Ah, you see that? Freaking butterfly! I'm just like, welcome to the beautiful morning. This butterfly just came and just went.
Wow.
Rip butterfly.
How rude. So it's not a beautiful morning.
No, not so beautiful.
No.
We're out here killing innocent insects, but that's okay. We are out here currently sipping
some monster.
Sipping on gin and juice. Thank you. No, we're actually heading up to Gladstone today. So my sister's 21st was a couple of days ago, and so we're heading up there to go to her 21st birthday. So I got Sarah with me, and we also got myself. We got Sarah. We got myself.
It's gonna be lit.
What do you think of the car? So we put the sound ending in.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
So comfortable.
Is it better?
So smooth. Not much road noise.
Well, it's depending on the road.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really comfortable.
Still gets pretty loud, but it's nice.
Good road trip car.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And with all the tinted, the ceramic tinted windows and the thermal, it's not hot in the car.
No, definitely not.
You can't feel the sun. It's amazing.
Very comfortable. So we've got snakes. We've got the monster. Yeah.
We got the monster.
And we got Krispy Kreme.
Krispy Kreme for Sophie and Matt.
Krispy Kremes.
Because if you guys didn't know, Matt Linan, we're also going to catch up with him today. Plus Sophie's mum, Sophie Oliver, plus the doggies. We're going to film the dogs as well.
Oh yeah, good for the dogs. And I got my raspberry water. Stay hydrated, kids.
Plus, also my dad sent me something from America apparently it was pretty cheap over at Harbour Freight, and it's in 2 big boxes. So we'll be able to find out what that is today.
Yeah.
So yeah, we've got a few things to do today. Plus, I also have a surprise for Sarah sitting up here that she doesn't know about.
What? What did you do?
It's more so a surprise for me that you're probably going to cringe over.
Is it furniture?
No.
No, I was trying to do the car.
No.
What do you mean? What did you do? What did you do?
Nothing. I've been working something out with someone that lives up here for a bit.
What do you mean I'm gonna cringe? Is it a car? Did you buy a car? Did you actually? Did you actually buy a car? I'm not driving a car back for you.
Why not?
Is that why you brought me? What? Are you serious? Zach?
What?
Tell me.
Merry Christmas. Rightio guys, so we made it to Gladstone. As soon as I told Sarah that, she went crazy and really wanted to find out what it is. So, our Supra's here. Hi Matt. Hi Matt. Oh yeah, is this Sarah's surprise?
Should I be happy about it? God, there's so many stamps. Is that it?
Yeah, that's it. That's yours.
Thank you.
That's yours.
As well as
Pretty. Oh god, okay. Okay. Hold up. Oh, Hot Wheels. Oh, I'm actually so happy.
I knew she would be.
Oh, I like this one.
Oh, look at it. Oh no, it's all good. Oh,
That one's
yay.
pretty. It's like Christmas.
Yellow FD. Oh my lord.
Let's go.
How many Hot Wheels do you actually have? A couple of thousand? A couple of hundred?
Fair few.
Fair few?
I'd say yeah, around that.
Yeah. Far out.
3 of those big ones.
Oh, and where'd you get Boss Coffee here? What? Secret.
You can get the vanilla ones
Yeah.
from
yeah.
in the case. And
But the
Lachlan
premium?
and
Yeah.
Yeah, the premium. So Lachlan and I are getting them from a guy in New South Wales.
Ah, very cool. Oh, from Newcastle, correct?
I think so.
Yeah. I've heard about that too.
Well, I'll give you who he is.
Sounds good. I'm keen, yeah. And this is the Supra. Oh my god. I love the colour of it. Is it a Mazda colour?
No, original. So
Oh, okay.
It's anthracite.
Ah, I've never actually seen it before.
It's a 93 colour.
Looks beautiful.
It hasn't got any. This is how it comes from factory too. So.
Just without the wide body.
Yeah.
We need another shelf, I agree. Look at that, 300ZX. Ah!
It's like Christmas.
Wow. Sarah's not even looking at him anymore. She's just chucking him down.
No, I'm looking at them all. Oh my god.
I hope you know you got to restack all these.
It's just a bit overwhelming, really.
I think you're actually really genuinely excited about this.
I am.
I know.
I don't know what to say.
This is brilliant.
Thank you.
There's a couple of good ones. Yeah.
Which are we
Oh, the Civic though! Oh my god!
I don't want to like disrupt it all, but like.
Sarah was honestly like, she was honestly stressing in the car so much. It was so funny.
The dog.
I
was thinking, he's like, oh, by the way, we were saying about like driving the Falcon home. I'm like, you didn't get a car, did you? I'm like, I'm not driving your car home. But you got several cars.
I said you'll be able to get home. That'll be alright. Will do.
Just hold that window if you want it down, right?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, which one?
The top of it. And just push. Because yeah. It broke.
She'll go down.
No, she won't.
Oh, really?
So we got something to pull on.
I have never been in a Supra before. No,
Well,
never.
this is probably a really bad example. It was NA. And it's literally just...
Wow. This is interesting. I feel like I'm so far away. I can't see anything. It's like, wow, that's crazy. Amazing though. Well, $600 turbo. What model turbo is it?
I'm going to say 3540, but it's just a Chinese one.
Okay.
So it was really just to prove that you could throw a turbo on it and
Yep.
nothing.
That's so
Because,
cool.
like being a Toyota tech,
Yep.
I know what kind of ECUs they run and stuff like that.
Yep.
And they're smart. For their
Yep, yep.
time, they're smart. They self-learn. So,
Yep. I just realised that I probably shouldn't be filming too high on the windscreen either.
probably not. Should have warned you about that.
Whoops. I'm gonna have to blur some of my footage already. Oh well, I love these mirrors. Proper Japanese mirrors and everything. Mate, they look sick. Well, do you know what? I don't even know what they are. I feel like I've seen them on TJ Hunt's R30 or RX-7 or something.
They're just GP ones.
Yeah. Wow, I love it. So cool. Oh, by the way, guys, Sarah's in this car here. In the little 2-cylinder turbo Fiat. Dude, this is amazing. Oh, okay, alright. I thought it spun for some reason. I tried to spin it.
And it went back in. Yeah, this one pops in too.
That's alright. I'll pull it back out for you. Oh, it sits there. That's alright. Wow, so this is crazy.
It's probably the car that people don't want to see as a Supra because I have
Yeah.
no respect for it. Like I dailied it for about 3 years.
Yep. And you did the wide body yourself as well?
Yeah, wide
Yep.
body as well. So
Yep.
like it was just a rolling shell.
Yep.
And we, like at Chaos, we do like an 8-week challenge
Yeah, yeah.
leading up to Jamboree.
Yep. I remember you saying that last time, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, so this was one of those cars?
Yep.
Yeah,
so
right.
We used to just build one,
Yep.
and it was actually the second last year I was there.
Yeah, okay, cool.
We decided to just each do one each.
Yep. So how,
See
what
how
was
it
your limit as well, money wise?
Money wise, there wasn't really. It was just whatever you spent.
Yeah, right.
But like no going home or anything like that.
Yeah.
We did like a lot of trips to Brisbane just picking up spare parts
Yep, yep.
for the other ones. Like this wasn't too bad.
Yep.
This was pretty much put it back together, paint it,
Yep.
and I grabbed bits and pieces like Sparkos and
Yep, yep. I mean, it's so weird to be back in Gladstone, eh? So, what? I don't think I actually got you how much you actually paid for this car. $1,000 for the shell, $1,000 for the gearbox and engine.
So yep, engine and gearbox $1,000.
Yep.
Out of the car, so the original one.
Yep.
Say I think it was $250 worth of paint. We painted it ourselves.
Yep.
The rims were on it. That was half the reason we got it.
Yep.
Dad went and bought the rims, and the car was there. But then $650 for the turbo kit.
Wow.
And like
Sounds so
for
cool.
2000, it shoots flames. And
Yeah.
That's all.
And has a winding gearbox, but that's alright. Perfect.
It's tiny. It's a W58.
We out here in Gladstone, soaking in the sights. Oh, that's funny. Oh, this is good. So we're out of these shores at the moment. East Shores is actually a really nice place. There's like a little lookout up there. Actually a lot of fun to come back down here. This all wasn't here when I left. Actually wasn't here last time I came here, like a year ago. It's all brand new. So yeah, it's actually quite nice. But look at the. Oh, I gotta do a bit of a grass update.
Still make grass.
Yeah, dude. I came here and I'm like, wow, I didn't know Gladstone had grass.
It doesn't.
This is crazy. Oh, like I don't even know where it's good. Like, look at that. That is insane. This part here is looking a little bit like my lawn. This part here is looking insane. That's crazy. I need to know what they're using. Alright guys, so we had a really quick trip to Gladstone. It was actually a lot of fun. We ended up coming back this morning, and as you can see in front of me, we have this entire box of Hot Wheels cars, and because just the whole collection that I sort of have, and yeah, massive thank you to Matt for sort of helping out with the whole thing. It's sort of creating it all in the study. It's a really cool working space, and I like having them around. They're kind of cool. They're cool to collect. And this is just all the sort of spare ones you have lying around. He's got thousands of them, so yeah, massive thank you to him. But yeah, I don't like keeping them in boxes. I like having them out. So all the ones that I have doubles of, I'm going to leave them in the box because I think with the next merch drop, I'm going to give away some signed Hot Wheels in it as well as like a little tiny mini giveaway before I start doing any bigger giveaways. So yeah, I have about 100 here to unbox. There's a fair few in here. There's probably about 50. Okay, alright, fair cool. And every single one of them I'm giving back to Doug. Because Doug loves Hot Wheels boxes. So yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys up on time lapse. Get this all sorted. Alrighty, so Doug is completely and utterly freaking out. He's loving life at the moment. I don't know, does this make anyone cringe? Honestly, apparently it should. Also, one of the things that I really wanted to do with it, with one of my S15s, is I actually bought one of my S15s over in Japan. So this whole thing, no, Dougie. So this S15 here, oh well, this one actually is from Matt, but I got one from Osaka Auto Messi in Japan. And I always wanted to paint it up pink because that's the car we did all the road trips and everything else in. Was Oka-chan's pink S15. It was actually the first 15 I'd ever been in and first S15 that I'd ever driven. So we're gonna paint this one up pink. Another reason why I bought that horrible pink brake caliper paint stuff. So yeah, we're gonna paint this S15 up pink today. I'm not gonna use primer, anything crazy. I don't do anything stupid with these things, but I think this Yashio factory pink is gonna look sick. Nervous about doing this. Is it filming?
Yeah.
I'm so nervous about doing this. So I'm gonna do a real light coat so that way hopefully I don't lose too much detail in it.
That looks so cool.
That's so wicked. I think that's everything.
Did you tape up the windscreen and stuff?
Yeah, sure did. Yeah, everything's still taped up.
No.
It was so long.
Yeah, I know you've been doing this for like an hour.
I was sitting there for about an hour or so.
It's cool.
Alrighty-ho.
Awesome.
It looks so cool. I love it.
That's actually so cute. Can we do them all pink?
No. God no.
Have the Yashio factories.
We're gonna have lots of Yoshio factories, aren't we?
Lots of Yashio factories.
Wow. It's actually gonna be one of the nicer paint colours on my in my collection. I love it. It's so cool. Alright guys, well I know this is a really weird video but we did a lot of travelling and not much has sort of been filmed in between. It's actually been filmed over 3 days, so my apologies. However, last night I did spend a lot of time setting up the whole collection. Counted a lot now. Probably started, I don't know when I actually started. Probably about 8 months ago. Now I have 102 cars. Sorry, 105 cars. Yeah, it looks real sick, especially with this Mighty Car Mods poster. I love it. But if you guys didn't realize, the pink S15 is currently sitting down there. I have a little bit more work to do to it. I have to clean up the windows and touch up some of the white bits. But that car looks so cool. I might see if I can get some little tiny blue decals made up so I can chuck it over that. I reckon it's gonna look sick. But yeah, so happy. Probably one of my favorite shells right here. All the Nissans. Looks so sick. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.